Hi, I'll be attempting to run my Rust desktop application on a free WSL installation. So I'll first go here and we will choose Debian as our WSL tool. I already have Ubuntu, as you can see. So let's use Debian. Get. So while it's installing, let me pause it. Okay, the Debian installation is done, as we can see. Let us open it. Then it's doing its own installation. Let me pause the recording so that it can continue installing. Okay, now it is prompting me for a Unix username. I'll just say Ian, password, yeah. Okay, so I have Debian installed. I'll be using this README to install the Rust TODO application. So first, let me ensure that everything is up to date. So the first command I run is sudo apt update. So I have run sudo apt update and it has finished installing. So let's see. We run sudo apt upgrade. Yes. Okay, this is done. Now we can proceed with the installation for WSL users. So let us start with this command. Let us run it. Curl not found. Okay. Apt install curl. Yes. Okay, I'm done with the curl installation. Let us try it again. Nice, it's working. Okay, now we are here. We've installed cargo and it is saying we proceed with the standard installation, giving us some options. So we'll just press enter the default to proceed with the standard installation. And we let it do its thing. Okay, Rust is done installing. It took a while, like an hour. So let us continue. Let's run this command. And then verify installation. Okay, version. Yes, that's okay. Cargo version. That's okay. So we will install PostgreSQL. And we let it do its thing. Okay, let us proceed. We are done installing PSQL. It took quite a while. Is it PSQL or Postgre? Postgre, yeah. So let us run this command. Nice. And this one as well. Cool. It's working. Then these ones. It says Ubuntu 24.04 specifically, but we are on Debian, so let's see. let it install. Okay, we're done installing, and apt was trying to be noisy about something, but as we can see, I have confirmed that it's there, the package lib vidco4. It's where, there it is, yeah. So we can continue proceeding with the installation. It has now installed the Tauri CLI. Okay, we are done with the Tauri CLI. We've installed it, and you can see using this command, let us verify the installation. Yes, Tauri CLI is installed. Now we will clone this repository that we are doing this README. So first we need to install Git. We don't have Git installed. I will update this README to include all the commands that were not part of it. So let's do that. Sudo apt install git. Yes. Okay, we are done installing Git, as we can see. And now we can clone this repository using this command. It should work out of the box. Yes, we are done cloning, and we can do the cd. This is wrong. It should be cd rust to do application, not to do app. I will correct this. Okay. Now we can set up the database. So we can just copy this command for dedicated DBUs and database. We open the PostgreSQL, and we can begin with this. Yes, copy. We've created the Rust to do. Let's see. Yes, we have created the database, the user and the database, and then we grant the privileges of the database to the user. Nice. We can quit by doing this or by copying. Yeah. So environment variables. So we need a .env. We need to create a .env. So we can come here, let's touch .env. nano.env. I will include those commands for creating a .env and touching it and using nano. So you can copy this because we created with this password. So you can just copy this because it already has the password. Copy it, paste it there, save. Yes, yes, that's it. We're done. And then verify the connection. No need to. Let us just run the migration and see if it will work. Fingers crossed. No such command. Okay, let me look into this. Okay, the problem is the SQLX was not installed automatically. We need to install it, the CLI, SQLX CLI on its own, so that we can run the migration. This is the command that we used, and now when we try doing this, another error. let me look into it. Okay, my bad. The migration folder was in the root directory, not in src Tauri. Now let us try again. Okay, it has worked. That was my bad. So let us try running the application. Okay, the Rust application compiled successfully, and you can see it's here, the Rust TODO manager, and no tasks yet. So let us try to create a task. Simple. Description, anything goes. Priority, you can say hi, task. Yeah. So the task is added, we can cross it out. We can edit it. Simple, do. Anything goes, okay. We've edited it. We can delete it. Okay, it is gone. That's about it. Yeah, the setup was hell, but I persevered through, and I will edit the README to be more inclusive of all the commands that we run. That's about it.